Joseph, wise ruler of God's earthly household, nearest of all men to the heart of Jesus, be still a Father, lovingly providing for us his brethren. Saint, strong and manly, chosen by the Father, as trusted guardian of the Son eternal, guide us as once you guided wisdom's footsteps with sure direction. Husband of Mary, loving and beloved, teach us the joy of love so pure and holy, warming our hearts with love for God's own Mother, by your example. Saint of the dying, blessed with Mary's presence, in death you rested in the arms of Jesus. So at our ending, Jesus,